2.3 Give short answers.
Wednesday.
2.3 Give short answers. 1. Name the body parts involved in breathing system. Answer: nose and mouth, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs and diaphragm. 2. Name the products of anaerobic respiration which occurs in muscles. Answer: lactic acid is produced in muscles during anaerobic respiration. Three. Name different blood cells. Answer: blood cells are of three types: red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. 4. Where does blood oxygenate? Answer: oxygen from the air diffuses into blood through the walls of the alveoli and the hemoglobin in the red blood cells, which carries oxygen from the lungs and supplies it to all the body cells during blood circulation. Five. Name different chambers of human heart. Answer: the heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atria and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. 1 left atrium, 2 right atrium. 3 right ventricle, 4 left ventricle.